Greetings, tech enthusiasts and keyboard aficionados. Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for all things tech. Today, we've got a piece of essential tech that often goes unnoticed but plays a significant role in our daily digital lives: the Logitech K120 wired keyboard. It's all about comfort, durability, and simplicity. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Let's start with what matters most: all-day comfort. The Logitech K120 features deep profile keys and a full-size standard layout that includes F keys and a number pad. Typing becomes a breeze, whether you're working on documents, surfing the web, or even gaming. And when it comes to setup, it couldn't be easier. This corded keyboard connects via USB, and you can plug it into your desktop or laptop and start using it right away. No need for software installations or complicated configurations. Now, let's talk compatibility. The Logitech K120 is your reliable partner, compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, or later. Whether you're at home or at work, this keyboard is designed to seamlessly integrate into your digital world. Accidents happen, right? Well, Logitech has got you covered with its spill-resistant design. Those coffee mishaps or minor spills won't be the end of your keyboard. Plus, it boasts anti-fade keys and sturdy tilt legs with adjustable height, making it built to last. But wait, there's more. If you're looking for wireless freedom, consider upgrading to the Logitech K270 wireless keyboard. It offers a 2-year battery life, plug-and-play simplicity, and a reliable hassle-free wireless connection. It's the next level of convenience. In conclusion, the Logitech K120 wired keyboard is a dependable workhorse that brings comfort, durability, and simplicity to your fingertips. Whether you're a writer, a coder, or simply someone who enjoys a clean, no-nonsense keyboard, this one's for you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried the Logitech K120, or do you have any keyboard recommendations? Give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews on Product Critique. Until next time, may your typing be swift, and your tech always reliable.